Alright, thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm going to give you my top 3 products that I've been using for over a year. The Hydro Neutrogena Boost. This is going to strip the life out of your skin. And go in after that with the Neutrogena Deep Cleanser. This is what's going to put the life back into my skin. This will strip it. This will put it back, the moisture back in. And these will be the 2 products that I use in the shower when I'm doing my morning routine. Last but not least, I go in after my shower with my Pond's. This is my anti-wrinkle cream. And yes, this gets the job done. I've been using this for well over 1 year now. Right now, my face feels really good, but my face feels also dry. It's soft, but my lips and my face is dry. So that's a good thing. And I just dab it into 4, yeah. I'm almost done with this. So only thing else I do is, because it's so dry, my lips is really dry, I just go in with my Carmex and just dab some on my lip. But like I said, the Neutrogena, the Hydro Boost, it strips the life out your skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit underneath my neck, because as you age, you do, you know, you want it to keep it together. So yeah, check out my next video. It will be explaining on how I got these funky color box sprays. I did the rubber band method and what YouTuber inspired me to do these nice funky colors. I will have all that in my next video. This runs you $1.50. The Deep Cleanse runs me $4.99. And the Hydro Boost runs me $8.59. So you can't beat it. These are the only 3 products. These are my secret products I use. And my Carmex. But other than that, yeah, that's what's been keeping my skin looking and feeling great. So yeah, that's my 3 secret products that I've been keeping a secret on that I use. Now that you know, let me know in the comments down below. What are you guys' favorite skincare products that you use for your morning skin routine? I think Neutrogena is pretty damn good. They got different selections. But even if you don't like using the products I showed you, they also do have different other products that runs in their family that you might like. If this video was helpful, thumbs up this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And you can also hit the notification bell so you will never miss another upload from me when I do post my videos. See you next time. Bye.